Check out this awesome new feature from the Galaxy Watch 7 or the Watch 7 Ultra. It's known as Knock Knock, where you can take your fist and double lock down like this here, and it's going to access a feature or a function. So I'll show you where to find it and how it works. While viewing the clock face, go ahead and swipe down like this here, and you'll tap on the settings icon. This will take you to the main settings of your Watch 7, then go down until you see the buttons and gestures. As you enter here, you'll see all these different options, but go down until you see the knock knock feature, this one right here. And of course, you'll want to turn it on first, then select an option as to what it will access. So for me, I set it to turn on my flashlight, and your Watch 7 itself does have the flashlight itself. Okay, so it's basically, you're gonna kind of take your wrist like this here and kind of perform like a gesture here, and notice now it turns on my flashlight. So that's the flashlight for your watch. If you didn't know, it turns into a pure white screen, and in the dark you'll actually notice a difference. All right, so that's how it works. But the thing is though, when you do it again, you can't get it off unless you hit the back button here. But that's how it basically works. So it's a 1 2, and you'll feel your watch vibrate. So it's like a, and then there you go. And that's that, like in 7.